Alright guys, so this one is a little bit of a special one. I'm actually excited to see the science of this one. What's inside this package are ice cubes. Now, not no ordinary ice cubes. These ice cubes do not melt. So this could be very, very handy. You have a nice cold beverage, and sometimes the ice and when the ice melt, it waters down the drink. This is definitely gonna solve your problem. So let's open it up. So stainless steel ice cubes, definitely on the fancy side. So yes, comes in a nice case, as you guys can see. If I open it up, nice little, what do you call these, claws? I guess you could call these claws. So when you're picking up the ice cube, you have them right there. Stainless steel. So I guess inside of it is liquid, or maybe water. And then when you freeze them, they're gonna be nice and cold. They're kind of cold right now, but yeah, so it's not gonna ruin your drink. We're definitely gonna try this out. Now this is something that's gonna be hard to test out on video, but yeah, so this could be very, very handy. I think this will be perfect for my grandma. You know, I want to kind of give her something new and not even have to worry about the ice melting. First impressions, they look good, look modern. Don't even look like ice cubes, but they are ice cubes, stainless steel. Alright guys, stand by. I'm gonna head up to my grandma right now. This thing is frozen. Oh, it is ready to go in your drink, and it won't hinder your drink. I don't even have no kind of gun, but you guys can see it is completely frozen, and it is iced out. There's a liquid inside of it, but it's froze. It's freeze. Grandma, I'm leaving the ice tray in the freezer. Yeah. You can use it if you just. So now when you drinking your juice, I washed it already. So now when you put your drinks in there, the ice is not gonna melt and ruin the drink. So pretty self-explanatory. I don't have no kind of gun, but you guys can see the ice and everything in there. But we gotta go now. It's like 11 o'clock at night. By the way, when I mean gun, I mean like a thermostat gun to check the temperatures. But it is pretty cold. As you guys can see, the little fog there, pretty ice, and it won't melt. So even the inside melts, it's still gonna be nice and cool. That's why you put ice cubes in your drink. It's not just for the look, it's just for the temperature of their drink. Alright, hold up. I want to add to that. Now, drink, damn, this camera is big as hell. You put a lot of ice in there so the liquor doesn't finish quicker. Same thing with drink. I don't want to sound so dirty here, but drink is expensive, so we put a lot of ice so it's not wasting. You know what I mean? When you have so much ice, it makes it seem like you have a lot, but you really don't have a lot. Yeah, you guys get the idea of ice though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.